All right, so this video has been filmed in 4K at 60 frames per second, and if you have anything under 720, it's filmed in that as well as 1080p. So, of course, I promote making Kobe the NBA logo, and RIP Kobe Bryant and Gigi. This is one way that we could definitely show that this man deserves to be the logo is by supporting him because, hands down, in my opinion, Kobe Bryant is the second greatest player of all time, under Michael Jordan, that is. So here's one way we can always support that make the logo Kobe changed is by purchasing one of these. Play Prints made this, and if you need the link, I will drop it right below in the description. So hashtag make Kobe the logo is official, and I'll give you guys a close up of this. So let's straighten it out. There we go. So this shirt helps support that entire make Kobe the logo. Hashtag make Kobe the logo. This shirt is dope. You can get these all around the internet. I mean, it's all over the internet. Make Kobe the logo hashtag. But this shirt is one way I could show my appreciation for what the Black Mama did. And like I said, if anybody deserved to be the logo, it would be Kobe Bryant. So let's support that. Hashtag make Kobe the logo. Of course, I'll get this shirt a 5 out of 5. Can't ask for more. Subscribe.